Oh,
I thought you liked it.
oh wow. It is like a ticklish feeling. We are in Bogor National Park here in Indonesia. It's I think an hour and a half from Jakarta city, up in the mountain. So we're going on one of the track which is in a national park, which gonna take us to one of the waterfall in this national park. And it's pretty nice here. You can see a lot of like a natural forest type of feeling you're gonna get in here. Here we are in one of the water paths we're following, which is, I'm sure it's coming from the one of the waterfall, and we're going the path of the water, which is very beautiful and quite adventurous looking thing to do it here in this national park. And it's not easy to walk, a lot of rocks, and you have to be a little bit careful when you're walking around here. But it's quite exciting to walk. So I'm quite enjoying it. Let's see how far we have to go to get to the waterfall. Some fish, guys, in the pond. What do you call this fish? I don't know. They suck your feet. I think they clean up your feet. So I'm gonna try. How does it feel? I'm gonna do only one feet.
Are you gonna do both? Hang on, you're gonna do both.
Both? Oh no. Hopefully they don't bite my leg.
They are gonna bite. They're biting the dead skin off.
Okay.
Put that down to the bottom.
Ooh. Oh wow! Oh. Oh no! There's so many! Ow! It's so ticklish! Oh wow! It's actually a nice feeling. I'm happy. Alright. Go away, fish! Oh well.
I thought you liked it.
Oh wow. It is like a ticklish feeling. Wow. Very nice.